Python for blockchain, building smart contracts and decentralized applications, DApps. In the realm of blockchain technology, Python has emerged as a powerful tool for building smart contracts and decentralized applications, DApps. The role of Python in blockchain development. Python's popularity in blockchain programming stems from its user-friendly syntax, which makes it easy to read and write code. Smart contracts and decentralized applications, DApps. What are smart contracts? Smart contracts are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement between buyer and seller directly written into lines of code. Why are DApps important? Decentralized applications. DApps are applications that run on a decentralized network of computers, rather than a single server. Harnessing the power of Python for blockchain development. Python provides a conducive environment for building smart contracts and DApps due to its simplicity and flexibility. Developers can leverage Python's extensive libraries, such as Web3.py, to interact with the Ethereum blockchain and execute smart contracts. Conclusion. In conclusion, Python serves as a valuable asset in blockchain development, offering a user-friendly and versatile platform for building smart contracts and decentralized applications.